Alrighty, everybody, welcome back to the garden. Today we're talking about blazing hot banana peppers. Finally, they're ripening up here. And this is about how long they'll get. About 6 to 8 inches. And then I'm going to try and get it in the sun so you guys can really see it. You can kind of see it's almost still a little green. But I just cut one of these suckers open and it almost burned my mouth. They're so hot and delicious. So, let's see. We're gonna take this one. So same as before with the jalapenos. You just bend it at the stalk and it'll snap right off. So let's see what else we got. Oh, we got another one here. Let's get that one. Hold on. Let's come in from the other angle. Righty. So again, just pull up, boom, right off. Super easy. Let's take this one. It's getting pretty cold here. It's at the time of recording, September 21st. So it's incredibly chilly up in Idaho. Not incredibly, but the mornings are getting a little brisk. So we'll take this one too. Alrighty, so it looks like just pulled off 4 big ol' suckers. And I watched a couple of videos of individuals who pickled these, but these are the hot versions, spicy version. There's called the blazing hot banana hybrid or something like that. So I'm gonna make some really great salsa because I got some tomatoes ripening up real fast. So maybe I'll post a salsa tutorial as well. Alrighty guys, thanks for tuning in. Till next time.